Hello, my freaks. Let's see what Jaime is going to have for us for the season finale. All right, it's a lot of the same items we've been seeing throughout the whole season. Laundry day again, we're wearing the swimsuit bottoms as underwear with a bra top. This simultaneously looks like two different outfits and half an outfit. Let's go. Gotta love Jaime's high waist swimsuit with the low waist pants. Also, gray pants with clashing taupe shoes and no shirt. I'm not sure what I'm even gonna do here. I think I just need to go play around. So far, all I did was change the shoes. I don't really love beige with gray either, but I feel like when you're lighter skinned, you can wear beige and it's just kind of nude. So I still think it's better than the taupe. And then I think I do want to keep the pants. I like the masculine elements with feminine elements and kind of like vintage vibes, so I think I'm gonna try to go that direction. I know I don't want to wear a bra as a shirt, so I tried to find some other options for the pop of red. So, who's going to be the red? Is it going to be the vest? I picked the vest last time, so maybe I should branch out. Is it going to be the flower instead of the hat? Or we could just do nails and lipstick and like a little peak. So, I actually I really like the shirt. Maybe I won't keep the pants then. Even though normally I love mixing prints, we got to get the black in here somewhere. So maybe I will do like black pants with this shirt and go from there. Well, I wish these pants weren't so skinny, but here are the black pants. And I really like this vest and shirt together. Then I feel like maybe that's a little bit too office-y. So maybe I'll try to keep the flower instead. Hmm. To tuck in or not to tuck in. I think because the pants are so skinny, I'm gonna leave it out. Then I feel like maybe I should try a belt. No, I don't like that at all. It looks really dated, and this is an awesome belt when it's on the right outfit. You can just tell this is not it. It's a lot of accessories too, with the flower and the giant necklace and the giant belt. Too much. Well, I realized if I'm gonna leave this open, I should layer this other necklace on top. They're not quite cohesive, but if you don't look that closely, I think it looks more interesting. Maybe I will tuck it in. Just a little half tuck, like you do. I don't know. What does it need? So far, I'm not thrilled with this because I feel like I could have come up with this myself. I didn't really need Jaime's uh, contributions. Actually, maybe it's not missing something. Maybe it needs to lose something because I'm starting to regret the double necklace. I don't know if I'm becoming less of a maximalist, but I kind of like just the one necklace. I think if the shirt was solid, I would definitely do both of them, but since we have like the flower and the pattern and then it's just a lot happening. So yeah, I think I'm going to go back to just the one. Okay, maybe I do like it well enough. Although I just feel like I flattened out Jaime's look. No, you know what it is? We took the hat off and then now it's kind of like too feminine. I don't know how I got so stuck on this flower. Let's try the hat again. Yeah, I think maybe that fixed it. Hmm. Well, I don't know. I like both versions, but I think we'll just stick with this one. Okay, well, regular me is being kind of inappropriate, so we're just going to end it here to close out season 2. So let's tally the scores. But first, let's revisit some of the episodes because I don't think I declared a winner at the time for most of these. Episode 1. I don't know, did I beat Jaime? You honestly don't know? Jaime's got a scarf wrapped around your head. Regular me wins episode 1. Clearly. Episode 2. I'm gonna say Jaime wins because I was stumped by the shoes. Episode 3, Jaime, I didn't even try. Episode 4, I'm gonna say Jaime's the winner because I just look so uncomfortable and I can't move. And Jaime's got balloons and is looking like Jaime's having a good time. Okay, episode 5, yeah, maybe I made the look more wearable, but it's also just dumpier and not as cool. Jaime has a cooler silhouette. I'm gonna say Jaime wins that one, even with the weird scarf on the arm thing. Episode 6, Jaime wins automatically. Episode 7, regular me wins. Episode 8, Jaime wins pretty automatically. Episode 9, I say regular me wins. Episode 10, I kind of thought regular me wins, but one of my online votes was for Jaime, and I want to respect that. I'll say Jaime's the winner for episode 10. Episode 11, regular me wins. And let's take a look at episode 12 again, because sometimes a photo looks different than when you look in the mirror. I don't know why, but it's true. So let's take another look. It makes me want to vomit. Yes, of course it makes you want to vomit at first because you're expecting one thing, you're expecting soft colors, and then you get these garish colors that are jarring. But once your eyes adjust, I think I actually like it better. And then when you see regular me's version, I mean, I guess I made it more wearable, but I just made it so lame. Where would I wear this? You would wear this to Walmart to buy some 4th of July swag for your grandchildren, I'm pretty sure. So, regular me definitely didn't win, but I can't say Jaime won either because the completely inaccurate representation of Jaime's outfit is really a collaboration between us both. I'm going to give us each half a point. And the final episode 13, regular me, I think was the clear winner. So the final score is 7.5 to 5.5. Jaime is the winner. What is this? This is embarrassing. Let's move on. The other star of season 2 is the bra swimsuit outfit rule from the Smart Closet app in 8 different looks. And just for fun, here are the reject outfits that didn't even make it. I don't know why Jaime made so many outfits this season, but for various reasons, they were rejected from the start. And that's it. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and stick around for season 3. It's going to kick off with a surprise. Hopefully, regular me can make a comeback.